Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your profile on Facebook. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you actually have three ways. Okay, so the first one, or the method one, is just by adjusting your privacy settings. The second one is by deactivating or temporarily deactivating your account. And the third one is by locking your profile. Now, for the first method, adjusting your privacy settings. To do that, go ahead and go to the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines, and then here, just tap on the gear icon. Okay, or you could go ahead over to settings and privacy right here, tap on it and tap on settings. Once that's done, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find audience and privacy. And then here, you can go ahead and tap on each options right here and just tap on, could be friends or no one. Okay, I'm going to show you right here, friends of friends, who can see your post, only me, or specific friends, or friends except all of your friends. Okay, just tap on each option, and once that's done, you're good to go. Now, the other option is by temporarily deactivating your account. Now, to do that, just swipe up all the way up and just tap on Meta Account Center. Tap on it, and once you're in here, just go ahead and scroll all the way down and find Manage Account. Tap on it. Now, in here, besides your profile, you have the Manage option. Just tap on it and tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Okay, it says here temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account. So just go ahead and choose a deactivate right here and follow simple prompts. And after that, you're good to go. Now, if you want to recover your account, just basically log in with the same credentials and you'd be logged in. Your account will be ready again. Now, the last option is by locking your profile. Now, to lock, in here, let's just go back to settings. Okay, settings right here. Now scroll all the way down again and find the audience and visibility. We have here profile locking. Tap on it and just tap on the lock option right here. Follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.